Welcome to the PrintGizmo 7.1 tutorial series. To help you better manage your catalog within PrintGizmo, we have introduced a powerful new reporting feature. You can now filter your sales data to specifically spot products that haven't sold. This enhancement to the product sales report gives you immediate insight into your inventory. By identifying unsold items, you can make informed decisions, like planning targeted promotions, refreshing your lineup, or optimizing your stock levels. To use this feature, go to the admin panel and navigate to the Reports section. Then select Product and Product Orders. In the filter options, you will see a new checkbox labeled Unsold Products. Simply enable this filter and then run the report. The report will display the unsold items with a quantity of 0, allowing you to quickly pinpoint which products need attention. We hope this update helps you streamline your business decisions in PrintGizmo. Thanks for watching.